nature of forests are different in different countries. But the physical features such as air, water, sunlight, with the help of which green plants manufacture food, are constant in both the environment. Then what causes the difference in these forests? Let us find out. In warm climates, forests have broad-leaved evergreen trees. Why? Because there's a lot of soil water availability because of the greater rainfall. So because the surface area of the leaves are bigger, so there will be a greater rate of transpiration so that these plants can cool down in this hot weather. But if you look at trees and plants in cold climate, you will find that they have reduced leaf sizes because the amount of free water present in the soil is very less, because most of the water gets converted into ice because of the low temperature. So these plants need to conserve as much of water possible in their body. So they have reduced leaf sizes so that the rate of transpiration can also diminish. So temperature plays a big factor on the flora. Now what about the fauna? Let us see. Animals that are present in cold climates, you'll find a lot of fur growth on their body. This excess of fur growth on their body protects them from the biting cold. See, this is an animal that is present in the warm climate. It has less of fur growth because it does not need any protection against the cold temperature. So yes, temperature has effects on both the flora as well as the fauna. Now, in this area where it is hot, there's a lot of rainfall also. So the humidity content in the air is a lot in comparison to these areas. Because there is no rainfall and the temperature is low, humidity is also less. Now we have earlier discussed that in less humidity, the rate of transpiration increases. So transpiration will be more in this area. But these plants cannot afford to lose water in the form of water vapor through transpiration. They need to conserve as much water possible because there is less amount of free water present in the soil. So humidity also plays a factor. So these non-living components such as sunlight, air, water, humidity and water vapor, and temperature keeps the living components of the environment alive. These non-living components are known as abiotic factors, where a means non and biotic means living. So abiotic factors keep the biotic or the living constituents alive. This is the forest ecosystem present in warm and rainy areas. In moderately cold temperature, a forest looks very different from the previous forest. And finally, if you go to a freezing, biting cold temperature, the forest will have another appearance. So forests in warm climates have big, broad leaves so that a lot of transpiration can take place, so that the plants can cool itself down. Plants and trees present in moderate climate or moderately cold climates, they often shed their leaves to reduce the rate of transpiration. And trees present in biting cold temperatures also have reduced leaf sizes to reduce the transpiration rate, because water is not available, so they need to conserve water and prevent transpiration from taking place. Now let us see the difference in the fauna. animals present in the warm climates have less of fur content in their body because they do not need to get protected against the cold climate. But if you see animals present in moderately cold temperature and freezing temperature, you will find that there is an increasing growth of fur on their body, because this fur will trap the heat and will regulate the body temperature so that they get protected against the biting cold. These forests that are present in warm climates are known as tropical rainforests. The forests that are found in moderate temperature are known as temperate deciduous forests, because these trees shed their leaves twice a year and are known as the deciduous trees. And finally, these forests that are found in extremely cold climate are known as coniferous forests.